this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer videos from a Sony ZV-1 to a MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which MacBook model you have, you will be able to transfer photos, videos, and anything on your Sony ZV-1's storage. So to do this, you will need to connect it using a cable. You might have some alternative connection options like wireless, but for this video I'm going to be focusing on what I believe is the simplest one. So for this, use a USB cable. You plug one end of the USB cable into the MacBook on any of the available USB ports. Usually this is going to be USB-A, but if you want to, you can connect it to a USB-C port, and then the other one goes into your camera. So once you have the cables plugged in like this, you will be able to access any storage of the Sony ZV-1 directly from your MacBook. If needed, change the USB mode to mass storage, but follow along, see if it works, and if it doesn't, then you do this step. It isn't going to be mandatory all the time. So now, usually on your desktop, you will have a new drive. It is either going to be named something like Untitled, No Name, or if you actually gave a name to your camera in the past, it is going to be labeled so. Just find the specific drive after you connect your ZV-1 and open it up. Inside of this location on Finder, you will find a bunch of folders and of course all of your photos and videos. Usually, photos are going to be inside of the DCIM folder, so you will have DCIM. This is going to be for standard pictures. And videos are either going to be under MP_root or private. Sadly, this is going to depend on your camera, and so on. So I recommend just browsing through these folders. Check MP root first, check private, and then you will be able to find your videos. You can also right-click them and choose Show Package Contents to see what is inside. Once you find a specific video, it is going to be usually in the MP4 format, and all that you have to do now is drag and drop this elsewhere. So you can drag it to another folder, to a specific location on your MacBook, to your desktop, and it is going to be transferred from the ZV-1 into your MacBook. And for this process, you don't have to download anything. Just connect it using a USB cable. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.